everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. So I've got a freebie to share with you. So I'll quickly talk about the freebie. I'll tell you where you can find it, okay? And then I'm going to show you what I've made with it. Now you might think, well, it's specimen slides, big deal. But you will be surprised what I came up with just these 2 pages, okay? So stay tuned. So you will find this freebie over on my Facebook group. The link is in the description box below. It is a private group. You will need to request to join. Please answer the 3 joining questions. For my Ko-fi members, listen carefully. You will find this if you go to the shop section and look for the pink icon with the big circle. It says Members Extras 2026. You will find that in there for you so that you're not missing out if you're not on Facebook. Right, so we've got specimen slides, we've got some butterflies, dragonflies, words, a little strip of pattern paper, you've got coffee dyed, and you have got music paper. So, little tip, when you cut these out, okay, because you're cutting straight, you're going to have angled edges. So you want to get your smallest corner around it, and you want to round all 4 of those corners. Then I highly recommend that you ink it, because inking will hide any discrepancies in your cutting as well as hide the white core. And I will take time to just ink a little bit on the inside, even if you think you're not going to see it. Okay, so what have I made? Let me show you. So you can use these without cutting out the window. Okay, I'm going to show you. Or you can open them up, you can cut out the window, you can layer them with acetate. There's loads of things you can do. I'm going to show you. So here's my first one, and this has got acetate. Okay, now here's a sneak peek. I also printed them out 2 to a page. All right, so that's the full size. If you print them out 2 to a page, you get them obviously smaller, and then you can make other embellishments with those little things. So by printing out 2 to a page, I chopped up one of the little numbers and a butterfly there and added it to a little bulb pin. And then here I've used the back patterned paper to create a little pocket, added another butterfly, and added these mini tags. Now you can get these tags free, okay, if you go to my Ko-fi, it's linked below, and look for the hidden paperclip freebie. I think that's a full size, and I think I printed some 2 to a page. Okay, I use that freebie all of the time. I love it. So that's the first one, okay? Then here's another one. So what I did here was, when I glued it shut, this one's glued fully shut, okay? And I've added a pocket on the back. This one I glued it on 2 sides, which then creates you a top pocket. So how cute is that? We've got a double butterfly, which I've layered up with foam strips like this. I got mine on Amazon, okay? I think they're like 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, I don't know. Okay, and then the larger word, I did round them. So I've rounded that one as well and inked it. And again, I've raised it on foam tape. So that gives you a lovely little pocket, but that one's a little bit plainer. Okay, you can obviously just glue the whole thing shut and just have just a plain one. So that's 2. Then this one I did a little bit different, and instead of doing it like a normal specimen slide, I've offset it, I've offset the word, and on this one I have glued it on the side and on the top to have a side pocket. And in that side pocket, Jenny will be proud of me, I've used up some scraps and created just a little tiny tag with a little tab on it. And I used another strip of scrap here just to bring a little bit of colour there. And then look at these. This is what you can get if you print them 2 to a page. Mini ones. So this mini one is a replication of this, okay, with the top. So these do come out, okay, they're not glued in. It is a little pocket, okay. And then on the back I've added a little pocket as well. So this has got both pockets, okay. How cute is that? How stinking cute. I'm sorry, but that is really cute. And the neutral colours, so they would go in any project, okay? So that's those. So then this is the ones 2 to a page again. I've just done that one plain. Again, I've risen that on foam tape just to add a bit of interest and added a little bulb pin. This one, paperclip, okay? Now you don't have to make hidden paper clips and fancy this and fancy that. I just glued a strip of paper, scrap paper on the back, and that is a fully functioning paper clip, okay, that you can clip to whatever you like. All right, perfectly functional. We don't have to do fancy things all of the time. And then I made a little mini charm. So it's an embellishment builder, so you can make other things than just the specimen slides, okay? So here's another little dangle I made out of when they're printed to a page. Just those little numbers, word, and a little dragonfly. I just poked them carefully with my pokey tool. It is cardstock, so it is pretty sturdy. If you want it more sturdy, you know, you could layer it with sellotape first or something, I don't know. But I think they're fine. Fab. Then, just for another idea of what you can do, I made these little faux metal circles. So that one is double-sided. And just added a layer of the patterned paper, and then this is from my scraps, from making these tags. Okay, so I'm using up my scraps. Again, I've added that on to foam tape. It just looks lovely. So you can use that as it is. Decorate a tag with it, put it on a pocket, whatever, it's an embellishment. Or again, you can put a hole in, put one of these little doofers in, and put a bulb pin on, and it's a charm. Even add another charm to it, okay? And then there's a mini one. So you could do the same there. Just poke it, a hole with your pokey tool, add a little bulb pin, okay? So those are my ideas. Maybe you can come up with more. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 little ideas just from one freebie. So go and see what you can make. Okay, let me make sure that these are all in shot. I hope that's given you some ideas and inspiration. Obviously, there's no tutorial because it's that simple. I'd feel silly showing you. I'm sure you can make them. Go and have some fun. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.